Are you thinking about sending a gift to Latin America? Well, we want to give you some tips to make sure it is perfect.
If you want to send a classic romantic gift like roses and chocolates, that's a great place to start. But if you know your partner doesn't enjoy these things, we would advise sending a basket with some high quality products they will enjoy, and also adding something romantic like a teddy bear.
Make sure you add a greeting card message, but it shouldn't sound like a boring template message. Try your best to express your feelings in a creative way. This will impress your loved one in Latin America. Remember, we are very passionate, so don't be afraid of expressing your feelings.
And if you have clients or business partners in Latin America, a basket with a good bottle of wine or whiskey will be perfect. This will strengthen your relationship with them.